Based on at least 500 queries from my CELPIP students this year, they have failed the exam 3 to 4 times on average, spent over $1,000 in rebooking the exam, and wasted 3 months in rebooking, trying to do the exam. This is the average CELPIP student, and the story is always the same thing. They were looking to get a 9, they ended up with an 8 or 7, and this mostly happens with writing or speaking. So if you want to avoid going through all this stress, what I recommend and what I ask students is, do you have 15 hours? If you have 15 hours, you don't have to go through all the stress. You don't have to spend thousands of dollars, and you will have a very confident, guaranteed way to not only getting a good mark in CELPIP, satisfying your immigration dreams, but also making your English all the much better in this process. If you haven't checked out our course online, our CELPIP 15-hour course includes 15 hours of video lectures on all the 4 modules: listening, reading, writing, speaking. One of the most popular features of this course is the templates, which are copy-paste. You can just use them as they are in the exam. They help you avoid all mistakes. They help you use very complex vocabulary and grammar. And you don't have to write or think for or speak for 40% of the time in your writing and speaking with the help of these complex templates, which are different from my YouTube lessons. This one in this course are way more advanced, the things that target and guarantee you a mark over 9 or over 10. In fact, most of the people who have taken this course, I would say 95% of them have scored over a 9, and out of them, 85% of them have scored over a 10. Now, templates are not the only secret. You also get detailed lessons on vocabulary, the kind of words you need, and trust me, you'll be surprised with the kind of words you would require to score more here. You would also get very detailed strategies on reading, listening, specific techniques on how to avoid the paraphrasing traps from the examiner, and how to make sure you do these answers within a short amount of time. The other amazing trait of this course is I make you look at things from the examiner's perspective. We explain the examiner marking criteria so you don't think like a student anymore. You don't think like English, good English is enough. You think like the examiner and their marking criteria and satisfy those points, because ultimately you want to hit every examiner criteria, get that mark in CELPIP, and finally get done with your immigration and move on with your life, have a life in Canada or wherever you are applying for. Moreover, you get a list of 200 vocabulary words and 200 phrasal verbs, which if you learn those, will not only improve your English a lot, but also you can use them in CELPIP in writing and speaking, and you need these advanced words and phrases for your exam to score a 9+. I want to emphasize the 5 mock tests you get for this course on all the 4 modules. You can click and start those tests, are very reflective of the real exam. They're not like the online easy samples which make you think the exam is easy. These tests are hard, and if you can prepare with this and pass these exams, you can do way better at the exam. Once again, I say you cannot find anything like this online, because you also get here a course worth $70 thrown completely free. It is the accent training course where you can speak like a native speaker. After going through that course, it is completely free as a perk of just buying this course. Plus, the biggest thing I think for me, if I were buying this course, I would see the feedback value. So for a limited time only, you can submit your writing and speaking. We'll give you feedback on it. We'll tell you what you will score, and what my experts rate you in the classes or through emails is exactly what you end up scoring in the real exam. So once you purchase this course, which is backed by our money back guarantee, you will get instructions on how to submit your writing and speaking. As soon as you make the purchase, you will also get access to all the files and folders you need for your preparation. Now, again, this is finally another perk that I mentioned. There is absolutely no risk for you to buy this course. If you take it today, you feel like this course has not improved you, tomorrow you can ask for a refund. We don't ask any questions. If you want to give us feedback, that's great. But again, in 1,000 orders, we barely get 1 refund, because people love the quality and the amount of content we provide in this course. But if you don't like it, ask for a refund, no problem. We're always here to help with any questions as well. So go to the link in the description, or if you're already on our website page, you will see the 4,000 plus reviews that our students have given us, which make us more than 4.9 stars on our website. It also has the FAQs, the instructions of the course, sample videos, and a lot more. And if you're still unsure, just send us a message on the chat or email us at info@hzadeducation.com. This is again the one-stop shop for all your CELPIP needs. I always tell people there is nothing like this online. This is the best CELPIP course you'll ever get, and this will help you not only for this, but it will improve your English tremendously. You can use this course for many months and keep on improving even after your exam. So a lot of perks and benefits await you. If you have any questions, feel free to ask info@hzadeducation.com.